Page 24, Go Tell It on the Mountain. 4/4 time. So we're counting to 4, we're counting quarter notes. And again, you're in this middle C position. There's nothing tricky that I really see here. There's no dotted rhythms or eighth notes or anything. It's just quarter notes and half notes and whole notes. So let's just kind of take it together. You're here and you got a C and an E here for a full 4 counts, and then here. Make sure you connect these. Lift up between the phrases. That's the last measure of the first line. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Connect the notes. And to the end of the phrase, lift up. 2, 3, 4. That's really it. And then you get to the end. The last 2 measures, you're here, and that's tied. You're going to hold it down for the rest of the piece. Don't play it again. And then you're just playing these notes, the E and a G. And you're adding. So at the end, the last measure, all 3 notes are down. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, like so. And that's the way that works. Don't have a lot to say here. It's pretty straightforward. The piece goes a little, it's a happy piece. Go. We're going to go slow. You can do all that happy stuff on your own. But I'll give us 4 counts. Let's just check our notes and the rhythms here. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4, off.